Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to resolve payment issues in Instagram ads. So if you're running ads or you want to and you're having some issues related to payment, maybe your card isn't working or maybe it gets declined or any other issue related to payment on Instagram ads, then I'll show you how easily you can figure them out. So first you have to simply go to your Meta Business Suite, make sure your Instagram is already connected. Then from the left side you have to click on to your ads manager, go to its overview, and it will just take a while and it will take you to this page. Now what you have to do is that first we have this option to add payment, but you can say it is working. Then you have to go to billing and payment, and if you see your card is removed, this could be because of any glitch. So if you see that your card is removed, then we have to add it again. So this could be the issue that your card was removed and you didn't know about it. So in your payment method you can go and add your card. You just have to simply add your card details. First you have to choose your country, your language, and card types, and after that you have to add the card details including name, card number, the expiration date, and the code, and after that it you have to save it. But still if nothing works out, then you have to click on this bug icon to report a problem. So first we have the category. From there you can just simply select the one that you think is the right for you, like anything related to payment or add account, you can choose it. Then from subcategory you can choose the option that suits to you. Then here you have to explain your scenario that you're having issue with the payment, you tried everything but it is not working. If there anything that you would like to add with it, you can just simply explain your thing and ask them to fix this issue. Also, if you have any sort of screenshot or photo or video that you want to add, you can also do it and just simply submit it, and after that they will try to work onto it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.